Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I'm here with another video. This time, another unboxing. So yeah, stay tuned to see what I got. Alright, like always, I got my blade too, and I will carefully open this up. And so, here's a clue for you. I got it, or let's say a special personal shopper got these for me on her trip to Europe. And I'll just give it away. So the personal shopper was Lauren, aka Style via Lauren, here on YouTube and on Instagram. I'll leave her information down below. Oh wow. Okay, so look. You see some black boxes? Okay, let's dig in here. So here we go. There's a few boxes in there. There are 1, 2, and the piece de resistance. Have you guys ever seen that white box? So this is piece number 3. Okay, so let's see. I'll use this as a stage. And I could tell this box originally came from Chanel because I've had a few of these boxes myself and I know the tape that they use. Okay, so let's open up. I know what's in each of these boxes, so let's open up this one first. So this one, let me take off the camellia flower. Alright. Let's unbox it together. And if you follow Lauren on Instagram, you probably saw a picture that she posted with all these goodies that she came back with. Alright, so here I just opened the box. There is the black dust bag. Let me take that out. So here is the care booklets. Let me open it up. Alright, you guys ready? I got the beautiful emerald green, and this is called the extra large, the card case, I think. The extra large card case with the Mona Lisa pocket on the back, or just a pocket on the back. So this one has the 2 pockets on the inside. And here is the authenticity card. And you can see the inside is also lined with that beautiful green textile. And there's also a pocket in the front here. But yeah, this is so pretty. And it is in a very light gold hardware. If you can see, might be kind of hard. But there you go. So, oh my goodness, this color is just amazing. Okay, so let me go on to the next one. Alright. So Lauren, I think she went to London and Paris. I'm not sure where else she went, but she was able to score quite a few items, and it was just so nice of her to think of me when she was out shopping. And so here is item number 2. Comes in a different kind of box. Well, it's not different, it's just a little bit different size. Take off the camellia flower. Alright, let's unbox this one together also. A little bit longer and thinner. You guys have any guesses? Let me open it up. And here is the black dust bag. Now it is unfortunate that, here is the care booklets, that in places outside of the United States, they don't give you the tags of these items or the outside white paper. So you can't really tell, or it's hard to figure out what the item numbers are for these items. But let me open this with you guys. You see more green, but do you guys know what it is? Uh-oh. It is a passport holder. There you go. It is so pretty. And again in that light gold hardware. Oh wow, these puffs are so puffy. Alright, so here is the authenticity card. And here's what it looks like on the inside. So there's a big white paper in the middle there. And there is card slots. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 on that side. This is awesome. I just love this green. Isn't that awesome? But yeah, so I do not have a passport cover from Chanel, but I do have one from Louis, and I'll probably do a comparison between this one and the one I am currently using. So yeah, stay tuned for that one. But I'm just in love with this color. It's just so amazing. And so I had debated whether or not I should film this video right now and do this unboxing, because I am waiting on another package. And unfortunately I was not able to receive it the other day. And so, yeah, stay tuned for another unboxing. But so that was item number 2. And here is item number 3. So let me open this guy up, take off the camellia flower. So I have this box right here, but it's not really helping any, because when I put it down, you can't really see the item, so I have to put it up like this. Okay, let's open it up. And now if you're not familiar with the white box, it is a box from the Paris flagship store in 31 Rue Cambon. This is where the famous Chanel stairs are. Okay, let me open this with you guys. Open it up. Alright, so here's the inside. Nothing else in the box. Let me open up the flap. And ta-da! So I got another card case in the extra large with the pocket on the back. And so if you have seen my other unboxing, I had purchased 2 flat card cases, and one was intended for my mom. Turns out my mom didn't want it because she didn't have any use for it, or she didn't think she would have any use for it because it was so small. She's used to larger wallets. And I mean, right now I think she's using the Louis Vuitton Emily wallet in Damier Ebene that I got her a few years ago. But I just wanted her to have something in this green, so this is gonna be attempt number 2 to see if she's gonna like this one. So there is a chance that she'll still think that this one is too small, but it's just she loved the color, but maybe I won't even tell her about it, not until, so I'm planning to go there in May, at the end of May, for her birthday. And yeah, maybe this will be better as a surprise. We'll see. But yeah, so that is the 3 items. Let me show you all of them together. I have to take these all out again. But yeah, I've just gone so crazy over this green. It's ridiculous. But I don't think there's any other item that I'd be interested in. If anything, it might be a longer, like one of the larger wallets, in case my mom doesn't like this one. But here are the 3 items in this haul. And it sort of looks like the leathers are just a tad bit different. Maybe I'll do a another video on that. It looks like this one's just a little bit more rough compared to these two. But yeah, stay tuned for that video if I decide to make it. That is all I really wanted to show you guys for this video. And yeah, like I said, I do have another package arriving soon. So yeah, stay tuned for that video. And if you've guessed it, yeah, it is another green item. Like I said, I've gone a little green crazy. But yeah, stay tuned for that video. And until next time, just remember to be you and stay confident. Bye, guys.